The ketogenic diet, or keto diet, is a popular weight loss plan that involves drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat. This forces the body into a metabolic state called ketosis. In this state, the body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. The keto diet typically limits carbs to 20 to 50 grams per day. By significantly reducing carbs, the body finds an alternative energy source. The keto diet is about more than just weight loss. It's about changing your body's relationship with food. The keto diet shifts your body's fuel source from glucose to ketones produced from fat. Consuming few carbohydrates depletes glucose stores, needing an alternative energy source. This is where ketones come in. Ketones are produced by the liver from stored fat. They are released into the bloodstream and used by cells, including the brain. This metabolic switch is the hallmark of the keto diet. It takes time for your body to become fully keto adapted. This period can vary, but typically takes a few days to a week. The keto diet has gained popularity due to its potential health benefits, particularly in the realm of weight loss. By reducing insulin spikes and promoting satiety, keto can help regulate appetite and reduce overall calorie intake. Furthermore, the keto diet's emphasis on healthy fats can improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. By lowering triglycerides and increasing good HDL cholesterol, keto promotes a healthier lipid profile. Beyond weight management and cardiovascular health, some studies suggest that the keto diet may offer benefits for individuals with certain medical conditions. For instance, the keto diet has been shown to reduce seizures in people with epilepsy and improve blood sugar control in those with type 2 diabetes. However, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes, especially if you have underlying health conditions. They can provide personalized guidance and monitor your progress to ensure the diet is safe and effective for you. Section 4. Potential side effects of the keto diet. While the keto diet can offer compelling benefits, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects. As your body adjusts to burning fat for fuel, you may experience the keto flu, characterized by fatigue, headaches, and nausea. Another common side effect is constipation, often due to reduced fiber intake on a low-carb diet. It's crucial to stay hydrated and incorporate low-carb, high-fiber foods like leafy greens and chia seeds to prevent constipation. Some individuals may experience nutrient deficiencies on the keto diet, particularly if not following a well-planned approach. It's essential to consume nutrient-dense foods and consider supplementing with electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium, which can become depleted on keto. Long-term adherence to a highly restrictive diet like keto can be challenging for some people. It requires careful planning and may involve social limitations. It's essential to find a sustainable way of eating that aligns with your lifestyle and preferences. Section 5. Transitioning off keto and maintaining weight loss. Transitioning off the keto diet should be done gradually to avoid rebound weight gain and metabolic disturbances. As you slowly reintroduce carbohydrates back into your diet, monitor your body's response closely. Focus on incorporating complex carbohydrates like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, while limiting processed sugars and refined grains. Continue prioritizing protein and healthy fats to maintain satiety and support overall health. Maintaining weight loss achieved on keto or any diet requires a long-term commitment to healthy habits. Regular physical activity, stress management, and adequate sleep are crucial components of sustainable weight management. Remember, the keto diet is a tool that can help jumpstart your weight loss journey, but it's not a magic bullet. Adopting a holistic approach that encompasses balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and mindful eating habits is key to achieving lasting results. Section 6. Conclusion: your journey to quick and natural weight loss. The keto diet offers a unique approach to weight loss and overall health improvement. By shifting your body's metabolism to burn fat for fuel, keto can help you shed pounds, improve cholesterol levels, and potentially manage certain health conditions. However, it's crucial to approach the keto diet with a balanced perspective. Be aware of potential side effects, prioritize nutrient-dense foods, and consult with a healthcare professional to determine if it's right for you. Ready to unlock the secrets to quick and natural weight loss? Download our free comprehensive report today. This invaluable resource provides evidence-based strategies, delicious recipes, and expert tips to guide you on your journey towards a healthier, happier you. Click here to claim your free copy now.